important passage number 34. Start. Regretfully, the Sindh government has yet to take initiative to bring its women to the corridors of the provincial bureaucracy where their presence matters. Full stop. This key task can only be done by the Sindh Public Service Commission, which has not lived up to its role. Full stop. One of the most important tasks of the Commission is to conduct to the Combined Competitive Examination (CCE) oblique PCS bracket close, which is considered the most important examination in public service because it makes one eligible for the most coveted, career-oriented jobs oblique cadres. Full stop. CCE is considered prestigious among fresh entrants because these services at the provincial level offer better promotion opportunities, a variety of job activities, privileges and power. Full stop. Currently, the CCE sets no quota, which would widen the selection pool for female candidates. Full stop. On top of this, the examination's results reflect glaring gender disparity, for example, in the CCE of 2008, only 3 women made it to the post of DDO revenue against 49, and only 3 women against 61 men made it to the post of section officer. Full stop. The most unfortunate fact is that the CCE was held after a lapse of 5 years, not to mention the long period it takes to produce results and allocate seats. Further bars women from accessing powerful positions. Full stop. The separate allocation of quotas for women is an endeavor the federal government has undertaken to ensure their representation in the civil services of Pakistan. Full stop. It is also a reality that the ratio of women in civil services has sustainably increased since these enactments. Full stop. In this regard, the Punjab government has taken the lead by increasing women's quota from 5 PC to 15 PC in their 2016-17 budgets. Full stop. Paragraph. Women's inclusion in position of power is important for some specific reasons. Full stop. Firstly, women generally constitute half of every community, any initiative for peace and progress cannot bear it is not attempted without the partnership of men and women. Full stop. Secondly, the general situation of an average woman in Sindh wants enhanced, representations, bureaucracy is the area where the biggest gains can be made by encouraging gender diversity. Full stop. It is important to mention here that a number of women in Sindh have performed tremendously well in various walks of life, but that number is minimal, especially when their share in nation building situations in continued. Full stop.